I basically took the NEET speed subscription in my third year in general surgery MS posting MS exams before that, and I was regularly watching your videos, sir, general surgery videos or Sebastian-based classes or Bailey-based classes.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed
Thank you,
Medical Institute to Dr. Shubham Saxena for scoring a
sir.
topmost rank of AML 24 in MCh Neurosurgery and
Thank,
in any session November 2025. Congratulations to you.
thank you, sir.
Great. Can we know about you? I mean, where you
Yes,
started?
sir, myself, Dr. Shubham Saxena. I have done my UG from MJ Medical College Indore from 2016 batch, and I have first joined MS General Surgery from MJ Medical College Jamshedpur in of batch 2022. And sir, I've
Excellent.
just now completed my theory exams on 8th of December.
Wow. So you're back to back.
Yes, sir.
Very good. A wonderful achievement. I'm really, really, really happy for you.
Thank you, sir.
Great. So can we know why neurosurgery?
So basically, from my UG days, I was fascinated towards this brain and stuff from my anatomy days. I always wanted to be a neurosurgeon. The thrill which it gets, the result which we get is particularly marvelous, sir. So, means from my UG days, I was fascinated toward neurosurgery, and I didn't have any doubt that I have to take any other field. So I went for neurosurgery, sir.
Excellent. I'm very, very happy that
Thank you.
you chose a specialty. I mean, untouched by anyone. Anybody not touch this field unless a neurosurgeon.
Yes, sir.
Nobody just operate on a brain or a spine without a training process. Yes,
Yes,
there's no
definitely.
overlap. In gastro overlap, there's a lot of things overlaps are there. Except for neurosurgery and cardiac surgery, there's no overlap.
Definitely, sir.
Very nice. So, can we know how you prepared, what you prepared? I mean, what are the things that you followed to achieve a topmost rank today?
There is, but it's a long story, sir. I basically took the NEET speed subscription in my third year in general surgery MS posting MS exams before that, and I was regularly watching your videos, sir, general surgery videos or Sebastian-based classes or Bailey-based classes. And I was basically not prepared for INISS. I thought, okay, we'll take the break, we'll complete my MS, then I'll give my exam on May because I was not prepared. But once when I was watching a lecture or live class and you said that if you are eligible, you should fill the form and you should give it. So
Yes.
then yes, I remember that, sir. So I said, if sir is saying that only 3 revisions are enough and you have to revise it thrice and give 3 grand tests and you can do it. So I thought, why not give it a chance? Although there is nothing to lose. If I do, it would be very good. So, sir, because you said it on that day itself, I filled the form and inform my parents, ki, mom and dad, I'm giving so and so, but I don't think so I'll able to do it because I have to prepare for my theory exams also. But sir, see the fortune. Sab kuch hota hai.
It's all that you need to do. That's it. You need to write the exam to get
Yes,
the
sir.
seat. As simple as that.
I just thought on that day that if sir I'll get the chance to talk to you, I'll definitely tell sir because of you only I filled the form because you told in your class that you can achieve a good rank. You have
And
seen.
that day, I pushed all the students who are attending the live session, fill the form, take a screenshot, and send it to me.
Yes, sir. That was the day, sir. I thought, okay, maybe the God has told me to give it your chance. So, sir, I just prepared it from that day.
No, you need not prepare for NEET.
Sir, I have not thought about that.
You need not prepare.
It's very near, sir. Probably I'll give it, but let's see what happens.
Yeah. So you need to give, in order to get a seat, you need to write the exam. That's most important.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you did it. I'm very happy that you you thought about it and you checked it and you wrote the exam. I'm really honored that you listened to me for that words and because it will work. That's the reason I said it has
Yes,
worked
sir.
for
Because
you.
of you only, I just filled the form because I was not in any mood to just fill the form, and I was thinking I'll waste my 4,000 rupees.
Okay.
But sir, it eventually went well.
Okay. I'm very happy for you what you did. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good. I'm very happy. Now, can you tell me about the question paper? How many questions do you attend, and what all you about the question paper? What they ask about the interview preparation of interview? What happened in the interview? All that.
Yes, sir. So total 80 questions were there, sir. I attempted 76 out of 80 questions. I think 55 odd were from basic neurosurgery, core neurosurgery, and 25 and 30 were from the general surgery part. From general surgery part, I thought, sir, they will ask from the trauma and general surgery, but this time they focused on GIT also. They asked from endocrine also. But it was like whole of the syllabus they asked this time. They asked, I think, few questions from transplant also. So by otherwise, then the neurosurgery was something which we would expect the topics like tumors and trauma and spine surgery all. So it was, I think, a balanced paper and few from the recent advances also, which they used to ask every time in the neurosurgery. So yeah.
Good. Interview preparation and
So there's also a clean story in that. I finished my theory exams on 8th of December and I got a SMS from the AIMS that your interview is scheduled tomorrow. I was not at all prepared what I'll do. I was panicking. Oh my God, what I'll do? I don't know anything. But then, sir, I just read few of the slides beforehand and just gave the interview. Probably it went well, sir. All the questions which they asked were in the notes, in the slides. So I got benefit from it and I just answered.
great. So, who introduced speed to you? What was your experience through speed?
Sir, I heard it from my UG college seniors, and then I searched on the net. Then I found Mr. Silva's number. I contacted him, and I even talked to him in October. Sir, I have to subscribe for an INI course. I thought he would be laughing. My 1 month is left in the exam, and you are asking me now.
Okay. So, did you enjoy the course?
Yes, sir, it was very good course, sir. I just followed speed. I just saw its videos. I also remember I was in the train going to my exam center one day before. I thought let us just revise few recent topics. So I saw the videos again, and probably three questions came from that only. So the speed is more than enough. I'll say speed is more than enough, sir. And just you have to follow what your guide says, and just blindly follow it. You'll be able to crack it. There's nothing big. If I can do, I think anyone can do.
Great. What is that you want to tell your juniors who are aspiring for?
I will tell the juniors that first of all you have to think and that you have to do. Then from that day, count it as a day zero, and you have to regularly prepare. When you have decided that you have to do, from that day you don't have you can't look back. You have to go ahead only and just follow what the teachers are saying, and definitely you will achieve the good rank in your institute.
Great, doctor. Time to thank and whom all you want to thank. They helped you, stood by you for your career.
So definitely, sir. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty, my parents, my fellow colleagues, my juniors, who all helped me in this journey, and definitely, sir, you, because without you, I would have not performed even. And Dr. Satish, sir, also, his videos were very informative, sir, and helped me a lot, sir.
Great. Fantastic. Congratulations to you. And
Thank you so
wishes
much.
to you. Once again, wish you all the very best and all the success for a great career in neurosurgery. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.